Hello, in this video I want to show you how to transfer any type of file from your smartphone with Android to Motorola Moto G series of smartphones. And to do this we'll need to open Google Play Store on both of the devices and look for an app called Send Anywhere. It looks like this. Install it. When it's ready, open the app on both of the smartphones and accept everything and give all permissions that the app asks for. From here it should be ready. We can move to Receive tab on our Motorola and go for a Send tab in the smartphone we'll be sending the files from. Now we can select whatever files you like to send, like Send Anywhere app. There's this camera image which we can also send. There's photos, videos, audio clips, apps, contacts, but we need to give permission for that, and files, so you can basically send anything. Now that we've selected two files, we can click on Send, and you should see three ways that you can transfer these files. There's code, there's QR code, and a share link. I'll be using this code right here. You can use this QR code and scan it to receive the files or share them using the link. Now insert the key, this one right here, 192084. Click on Receive. Now wait a few moments and the files should be transferred. When it's ready, it will say completed. We can open the app and open the pack and now check all of the files. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.